maging Best Miss Universe ever, yan daw ang kakarinig ni Catriona Gray sa isang taon niyang pagtira sa New York City. Pero magkakapanahon pa kaya siya para sa kanyang boyfriend na si Clint Bondad? Narito ang aking report. Hey Kat, good morning!
Good morning!
Kitang-kita ang hilig sa pagkanta ni Miss Universe Catriona Gray ng aking makapanayam via Skype kanina. Kung magkakaroon daw siya ng pagkakataong makipag-collaborate sa ibang singers, gusto niya si Lea Salonga.
But I would love to work with Lea Salonga because
Wow.
I've been a fan of her ever since, and I just look up to her, and I have so much respect for her and how she approaches her craft. And I think she's amazingly talented, and even if I could just learn from her.
So far, enjoy raw si Catriona sa bawat araw niya sa New York City. Pinakapaborito niya ang kanyang birthday noong January 6.
I explored New York on my birthday. I went around, I had a day off, so I ate a lot.
Thankful naman si Catriona sa positibong feedback sa kanyang media interviews. Kung may mahihiling pa raw siya, yun ay ang mapagbigyan siyang mairam pa rin ang pormahang Pinoy sa New York.
Well, actually, I work with a Miss Universe stylist, but sometimes there's an opportunity where I can give pieces from my wardrobe that I brought over. I would love to keep showcasing Filipino textiles and our fabrics during my reign.
Na-touch naman ng Miss Universe na noong manawagan siya ng tulong para sa mga sinalanta ng bagyong Usman sa Albay, ay nagkusa agad ang Team Catriona na tumulong.
Sobrang proud ako sa'yo. That you guys are really setting an amazing example, and I wish I could be there with you guys.
Makahulugan naman ang reaksyon ni Kat ng pag-usapan ng boyfriend niyang si Clint Bondad. In fairness to Clint, he really said that even though it took time for him to adjust, he's really also doing his best, Kat. Pati nang tanungin kung paano niya na-maintain ang kanilang long-distance relationship.
I mean, it's really just a personal thing. To be given this opportunity is once in a lifetime, and it's really just about surrounding yourself with people that will support you no matter what and who will understand the demands of your work and just be understanding.
Sa ngayon, ang goal lang daw ni Kat, maging Best Miss Universe ever, gaya ng bansag sa kanya ng fans. Just 2 lines.
That's the way dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. That line is very appropriate. So let's go with Empire State of Mind.
Thank you so much.